Well, David Judd again, thank you for taking the time to tell us the significance of this car here. It's obviously a rare one. It's in the rare column, as I call it. So tell us a bit about it.
Well, thanks, Peter. I'm standing in for the owner, David Reedy, who is a connoisseur of these really old, beautiful cars. It's a very rare car. It's a Fiat Otto V, which is translated means 8V, and it's a 2-litre 8V or V8 as we would call it, produced in the 50s. This car has a pedigree that's taken it through the European Mille Miglia, way back in probably when it was a near new car in the 50s, and David Reedy and his navigator Lee Colbert, who's the ex-AFL footballer, they've been punting this car in the European Mille Miglia. I suspect it went across 3 times. They've now got a different car, an old Balila, that they're still doing the Mille Miglia in, and they keep that in Europe. But this car it's not in pristine condition. It's in very good condition, and it's used. It's used in competitions. It's used for displays.
And what's the body?
It's an aluminium body.
Right.
I'm not the one who knows enough about it to tell you too much, but it is a very rare vehicle, and it's being used and continues to be used in the way it was meant to be.
Any special design features on this one?
I'm really the wrong person.
That's
but,
all right.
But it just was built as a competition car, and wouldn't have been very many of them made in the first place. And it's a coach build car.
So we're very pleased to have it here. The only thing I notice is an uneducated one, but it's like a Maserati grille there.
Well, I don't think David liked it.
I know that.
But it
uneducated.
Reminiscent of the 50s style.
Yeah, 50s
that's definitely right.
That's terrific. Well, you've got a good range here, and what time are you announcing the judging results?
In about 45 minutes.
Well, that'll be good. Anyway, David, thanks once again. Weather's on your side, and you've got good content. Right, thank you.